Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I'm back with a inspirational video. Just want to show you guys a trade that I called out Sunday for the community, pound Swiss. Let's go there. So you guys see, I did this. YouTube is showing it was 1 day ago, but this was on Sunday, October 10th. Right during our live Zoom session. All right, I called along possible pound Swiss buy position. Do your own analysis. Wanting price to come down here and then shoot up. Just press the play button and see how that trade is. And this particular trade, it came down and it popped up for us here. I wonder if I can get to this chart for you guys. Let's see. Let's go to the chart. Let's look for pound Swiss. Let's take this to the 2-hour and grab our measuring tool. And let's see. Looks like the entry is about right. I'm gonna have to go up under here. Let's drop down a little bit more. I know. Let's nope. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's go there. Okay. Let's see. At one point, we were up about 73 pips. We're currently up about 65 pips on this particular trade. All right, guys. So just sharing with you guys. I guess the potential that you have to be a part of a profiting community and make your profits. Now, all of them, they don't all always work out for us, but the majority of the time they do, and the members are very, very profitable. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, if you are interested in being a part of this profitable community, just go to my YouTube channel. Here, let's go over here. Click the join button.
Hey, how's it going?
And you're going to want to be on the professional trader. All right. Professional trader is going to give you access to my trading strategy and the live Zoom sessions, as well as the 160 charts that I track and the trade ideas. Now, the profitable trader, you can be profitable on this. You will get access to the 160 plus charts that I track, as well as my trade ideas. You just don't get access to the live Zoom session or the exact trading strategy, my signature trading strategy that I'm using. All right, but I will tell you guys this, because I definitely want to help any and everybody that I most possibly can. I am trading accumulation and well, actually, I'm trading institutional accumulation and distribution, which pretty much aligns itself with supply and demand. You can call it supply and demand, but I have my own theory when it comes to that. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in possibly catching moves like this one, feel free to sign up. All right, guys. Until next time, always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.